If you're a fan of the classic chocolate and peanut butter combo, then you are going to love these easy Buckeye Cookie Bars. Let's get started. First up, the cookie layer. I'm going to keep things super simple by using a boxed chocolate cake mix. It saves time without skimping on flavor, which is exactly what we want. I'm adding in some melted butter and 2 large eggs. Then I'll use a silicone spatula to fold everything together until it's well blended. Once that's all combined, I'm pressing the mixture evenly into a prepared baking dish. I've lined my 13 by 9 inch pan with parchment paper, leaving a bit of overhang so I can easily lift the bars out later. Now this goes into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges are golden and a toothpick comes out clean. While that's cooling, onto the creamy peanut butter layer. In a bowl, I've got some creamy peanut butter, and to that, I'm adding powdered sugar, softened butter, and a splash of vanilla extract. I'll use an electric hand mixer to beat this on medium speed until it's smooth and creamy. And once that's done, set it aside and we'll get started on the chocolate ganache. I've got some semi-sweet chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl, and I'm gonna add in some heated heavy cream. Let this sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Resist the urge to stir. Then whisk gently until the chocolate is completely melted. You'll know it's ready when it's smooth and glossy. Now for the fun part, assembling your Buckeye Cookie Bars. Spread the peanut butter mixture evenly over the cooled cookie layer. I'm using an offset spatula for this because it makes the job so much easier. Then pour the chocolate ganache over the peanut butter layer, spreading it evenly. This part is totally optional, but I like to sprinkle a pinch of flaky sea salt over the ganache before it sets. It adds a delicious contrast and takes these bars to the next level. Pop them in the fridge for at least 2 hours or until the chocolate is fully set. Once they're ready, lift them out of the pan using the parchment paper overhang and cut them into squares. And there you have it, easy, delicious Buckeye Cookie Bars with layers of chocolate cookie, creamy peanut butter, and a smooth chocolate ganache. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to check out the recipe linked in the description box below. Hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.